watching your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 4. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, yes, you require to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. There is a need for room car available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various and sign-in policy. To book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, you can tell us by commenting below. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed our channel,